press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Wera, world renowned as probably one of the leading manufacturers of high quality precision screwdrivers for industry and various trades. They really are super. If you've ever had the chance to use one, you'll see the difference straight away. What we have here is a 7-piece electrician set, VDE tested, which means that they go through the batch process, each batch individually tested. So what we're going to open this up and have a look at the screwdrivers that we've got here. I'm going to take them all out. So you've got half a dozen, they're all rolling around. I'll put them down there. All of your popular sizes that you're going to come into, and a mains tester as well. Every good set should have a mains tester, so I'm going to leave that. So let's just have a look at these here. So what we've got here, if you can just come in on the tip, this one's what they call a plus-minus tip. It's from the end, it's a traditional Phillips, but there's also for special fittings on some electrical componentry, you need this plus-minus tip, which is like a slotted and a Phillips, but this is recessed. We'll do both. What I want to talk to you about is the handle here, specially shaped handle from Wera. If you actually clench your fist, if you had a stress ball and clenched your fist and released it, it would be this shape, which looks odd, but until you actually get to use it, it is the most comfortable thing. It really is just a delight to use. You've got bimaterial grip. These yellow zones are soft grip zones, so you've got nice comfort and control. And what sets this set apart from everyone else is that this isn't just a sleeve for the protection from obviously the electrical side of things. It's fully moulded, and this, as you may see here, it tapers in and it's completely flush with the tip there, and this has been engineered. It's slim line where you need to get in to individual components and gain access for various bits and bobs. So you've got this plus minus tip, you've got 3 parallel tips, all your 3 popular ones. You can see they've all got this slim tapered sleeve there, and you've got your 2 standard Phillips tips there, as well as your mains tester. So if you're working on anything, you know, high voltage, proper electricians, you've got to get in with these slim tips, and this is, you know, real sort of componentry down there. That's all there, ready to go. If you need to dive into anywhere, you've got slim access wherever you need it when you're working on stuff like this, or live electrics, or wherever, for the professional user. This really is a top quality set. I can't emphasize enough what engineering has gone into this. You know, if you look at the tips, these are all precision ground tips on all of these screwdrivers. And as I say, this slim fitting means that when you're going between bits, it's not catching on any wires or snagging anything, which is absolutely vital if you're an electrician. So there you have it. It's a 7-piece VDE screwdriver set from Wera, absolute leading brand globally in high quality screwdrivers. That would be a great accompaniment to anybody's toolkit. Fantastic set from Wera.